Okay, so I saw an ElectroBoom video where he showed that putting metal in a microwave doesn't always cause arcing. So I have a few experiments to test. The first experiment I have is this spoon. It has kind of sharp edges and I just used it to stir my cocoa. So let's see what this microwave does to this spoon. And we aren't using this microwave anymore because the door button is broken and I found that one. So I am not worried about ruining this microwave. And sure enough, nothing is happening. It is getting warm though. For my next test, I put the spoon in this cup of cocoa to see what happens in a normal situation when you start your drink and you leave your spoon in the cup. Let's see what it does. No arcing. Now let's test this spoon. This should be even less likely to arc because it is very smooth. Again, no arcing. Alright, now I'll test this fork. This isn't a particularly smooth fork. The edges are kind of sharp, not very sharp. Let's test this. Incredible. The fork is not arcing. It just gets hot. I think this point is when sometimes it arcs and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Even the knife. Oh. Okay, yeah. So, spoons are safe, forks are fairly safe, but don't put a knife in the microwave.